Good morning. Today news read by Adi Krishna. Heavy rain floods Kochi Tech Hub. IMA issues red alert for 5 districts in Kerala. IAS reshuffle Biju Prabhakar. New KSCB CMP Rajan corroborate health Sesi. Accused in POSCO case who escaped from Kerala police custody nabbed in Bengaluru. Calcutta HC scraps OBC status of several classes in West Bengal. Will not accept HC orders scrapping OBC status of several classes in Bengal. Mamata Banerjee. Hemant Soren withdraws after SC says he came with blemished PR. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak declares July 4 as United Kingdom General. Fish oil supplements may cause harm to the herd, steady fines. Huge crowds of mourners march through Tehran bidding farewell to former President Raisi. Thank you.